Hi, my name is Chris Noble. I'm an independent IT consultant. This is a short video on how to make desktop wallpaper. Desktop wallpaper is basically nothing more than an image stored on your computer. Often the desktop wallpapers that come with the operating system, whether it be a Mac or a PC, are patterns that repeat. Certainly you can make your own patterns that repeat and point your operating system to those patterns, or you can use things like an image or a photograph. In this instance we're going to show you today, we're going to use a photograph. Just open your system preferences for your desktop, and instead of using one of the options that came with the operating system, you can click the little plus and tell it to look for a desktop wallpaper in a different location. In this case, the file we're looking for is actually on our desktop. It's called Dog Like Horse. We'll click on that and then the desktop will change to that image, which is an image that I use for my website. On a PC, Microsoft made it very easy for you to change your desktop wallpaper. Simply open the image that you're wanting to put as your wallpaper, right click and say set as desktop. My name is Chris Noble. Thanks for watching this video on how to make desktop wallpaper.